Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 10 best meme coins for this year mega bullion. In this channel I already share you many meme coins, but these meme coins are less risky than all other meme coins because mostly meme coins are listed in Binance exchange. But friends, still these meme coin has potential to be the next 100 maybe 500x potential meme coins here. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, our first meme coin is Toshi Best Ecosystem Kerthi meme coin. You can see, friends, circulation supply 420 billion. That is all supply. Also, current market cap just 224 billion. And this is Best Ecosystem Kerthi meme coin. All time high was 0.002 dollars. Right now, we are almost 80 to 90% down. This all time high also. Still, coin is not listed on Binance. And it's possible, friends, because Toshi is already listed in Coinbase, so maybe it's possible that we can see Toshi listing on Binance. Also, current price 0.3 times $0.56. You can see this chart. Okay, 1 day chart. Right now, Toshi is also in a dip here. You can see, friends. So Toshi can be next big meme coin. The next meme coin is AI meme coin that is also listed in Binance. Okay, and Coinbase, I think ERC20 Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. You can see, friends, Turbo is name. 69 billion coin supply, current market 289 million because already listed in Binance. And Turbo is also a good meme coin. You can see, friends, trading volume is also very good, and you can check out all details here. And Turbo is already listed in Binance and many other central exchanges. So Turbo has also potential to be the next multi-billion dollars market cap coin. First, third one is Flockino coin. Okay, where all meme coin launched in I think 21 in previous bull run, and I'm still holding Flockino. This is one of my most favorite meme coin in this list. You can see, friends, current market 824 million. This all-time high market was around I think 1 to 2 billion dollars in previous bull run. But friends, right now we are right now again in massive dip in Floki. 9.6 trillion token supply in circulation. Overall 20% supply, 20 trillion supply. And you can see, friends, not just a meme coin but also a gaming metaverse coin. And Floki has no doubt very good use case also. And I think my price prediction for Floki is definitely we can see Floki from just $800 million market up to maybe 40 to 50 billion dollars market in this year mega bull run. Fourth one is BNB ecosystem. CatC meme coin. Its name is Simmons Cat, and the max supply is 9 trillion. You can check out all details here. And this coin, I think, is still listed not on Binance Sport, but I think in Binance Futures already list this coin. And you can see from Simmons Cat and backed by Flokino. So this is good. Flokino is also supporting this coin. You can check out all details here. Okay, when market was crashed, its trading was on 0.5 times $4, but right now coin is already killed 10. So friends, Simmons Cat has also potential to be the next billion dollars market coin because BNB ecosystem cat meme coin with new meme coin. Sixth one is another base ecosystem meme coin just like Toshi, but this is Frog Theme meme coin. And has received $1.2 billion market already listed in Coinbase, but not on Binance yet. But maybe in this year we can see Bread listing on Binance, and this is right now largest meme coin in base ecosystem, and Bread has potential to be the next at least $50 billion market cap meme coin. Still, Bread I think can do 50x in this bull run. You can see, friends, circulation supply 9.9 billion, total supply just 10 billion. So maybe it's possible that we can see Bread up to $50 billion market cap in this year mega bull run. Seventh one is Peanut the Skrill. Elon Musk inspired meme coin already listed in Binance Coinbase. Current market cap 271 million and 1 billion supply. All in circulation. All time high price was $2.6. Okay, $2.46. Right now, friends, you see current price just $0.2. So no doubt, Peanut is in also massive dip here. Trading volume is good, but is already listed in Binance, Coinbase, and already massive hype in crypto markets. So maybe it's possible in this year mega bull, and we can see Peanut to new all-time high, and that could be around $5. Adds one is with dog with hat, and Solana ecosystem meme coin already listed in Binance Coinbase. You can see fresh market cap is around 900 million, and WIF has definitely potential to maybe can flick bonk also. Bonk, that is right now high market meme coin in Solana ecosystem, but VIF is I think second one. So maybe in future we can see VIF to flip Bonk, and become the number one market meme coin in Solana ecosystem, already listed in Binance Coinbase. Current price is $9, and VIF has also potential to be the next 40 to maybe $50 billion market coin. Ninth one is Fino. Vitaino BNB ecosystem dog theme meme coin launched in 2021 in previous bullion 4 years ago and is still active in crypto market. Recently, Vino make a massive pump also, but friends, XC still is current market just 19 million. So market is still super low. Still not listed on Binance Coinbase, but Binance Sport has already listed this coin Binance Alpha, not in Binance Sport, but in Binance Alpha is already listed this coin, and maybe it's possible the Venu can be the next big meme coin in BNB ecosystem. Maybe can be next $1 to $3 billion market cap meme coin. So as 10th and last meme coin is Kaknu AVIX ecosystem, largest market meme coin, okay, highest market meme coin in AVIX ecosystem. First ever meme coin. This is not a dog or cat. This is a Kaknu. So this is good. 69 trillion supply, all in circulation, $44 million market. And amazing thing about this coin is that Avalanche ecosystem also promoting this meme coin because this is their largest meme coin. It's still not on Binance Coinbase yet, but friends, definitely when this coin will be listed in Binance and Coinbase, at that time we can see massive high for Kakinu coin, and already make massive high when this coin was launched in 2023 December, and maybe Kakinu has potential to be the next $5 to $10 billion market cap coin. So these are top 10 best meme coins that I'm also holding, and you can buy these all meme coins on MEXC and Gazette.io exchange also, and on mostly tier 1 central exchanges already list this coin. So do you want to research before investing here, because this video is no any financial advice video.